What are you drinking?
Coffee.
Oh, Jack, you're drinking coffee?
Drinking coffee. Drinking coffee.
Oh, okay.
Eating coffee.
You're eating coffee, huh? Are you eating it or drinking it?
Daddy at work.
Yeah, Daddy's at work, huh? Does that make you sad? You wish he was here with us? Are you distracted by Mickey Mouse?
On the floor.
You right, you did hit your head on the floor a week ago, huh? On Halloween. Yeah, bonked your head. You did what's called a face plant right on the tile. Can you say face plant? Yep. Jack, what do you think of that whole situation? Did Owen get hurt and cry?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't feel good, huh?
Feel good.
Yeah, ouchie. Is that why we be careful?
Not feel good.
Yeah.
Not feel.
Yeah. Hey, what are you drinking again?
Coffee.
You're silly. Oh, what are you drinking, honey?
Coffee.
Oh, okay. Cheese.